Good afternoon, beta. Can you hear me? Beta, am I audible? What is this? Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Shalima is also.
How are you?
No, I'm good. I'm fine, beta. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm also fine.
Good. Okay, open your books. What we were doing yesterday?
Ma'am, we have started a new chapter, chapter number 5.
Chapter number 5.
Did you
We have
revise
read the page
our
number.
verb?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Come on. All three of you speak the conjugation of our verb. Start speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Start speaking the conjugation of avoir verb. Yes, can you speak? How do we conjugate avoir verb? Come on, start speaking.
Ma'am, means?
Oh, means what we did yesterday. Open your copy. How to use avoir verb with different subject pronouns.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the conjugation.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Yes, hurry up and open.
Ma'am, we were doing 1 second, ma'am. 1 second.
What we were doing? I can't hear you. Why so?
Ma'am, adjectives.
You people are not audible today clearly to me. Is it because of my internet connection? Yes. I don't know why I'm not being able to hear you. Start speaking. Shatakshi, can you hear me? Then why don't you start
Yes, ma'am.
speaking? What is wrong? Why don't you start speaking, beta?
Yes, that of the dialogue one and then adjectives.
No, what I'm saying, I want you to speak the conjugation of avoir verb.
Like gone.
Like
Yes, like
On
J,
stylo.
no, not complete sentences.
To.
Like J, tu a, il a, il a. This is the conjugation. Why do you forget every time, children? Why do you forget it every time?
Un stylo.
ma'am, along, vous and nous avons.
Nu. Wo.
But this is not the correct sequence.
El.
You need to speak
J.
it in the correct order.
Ma'am,
Jo.
j'ai,
tu,
toi,
El.
nous, a,
Il.
il a,
Yes.
nous,
Vous.
on, vous, is,
Vous
ils
avez,
ont,
vous avez.
vous avez,
Vous
vous avez,
avez.
ils ont,
Nous
elles
on.
Yes. Ils ont and elles ont. That is the correct order. That is the correct what? The conjugation of avoir verb. Now, next time when I ask you to speak the conjugation of any word, don't say ma'am means. Okay, don't give me this look. Don't give me this reaction. As if you don't know what conjugation is.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next what we have, did I tell you that we always use age with avoir verb? Did I tell you that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Now,
Ma'am,
allow
Yes,
like
ma'am.
you and 11 aunts un livre.
very good. Tu are ons on. Now, suppose I want to say we are 15 years old. We are 15 years old. So what am I going to write or what am I going to say?
Jo.
No, it's J.
Nu. J.
Yes.
Okay.
No, I'm saying we are. For we are.
On.
We will write nous et, nous on,
Avons. Nous always
nous avons,
use avons.
and
15.
Yes, nous avons. Nous avons 15 ans. Right?
quinze.
Yes. What is years?
Yes.
Nous avons 15 ans. Okay. Now, I want to say Shatakshi has the French book. Tell me what it is going to be.
Satakshi has a French book. Satakshi.
Satakshi, elle a
Les livres de français.
français.
One more
leaves
time.
they
What after
process.
Shatakshi? What is the next word after Shatakshi?
Ma'am, Satakshi.
Elsa.
Avant les livres de français.
Vidushi, you tell. Rest of you be quiet. What is yours? What do you say?
Satakshi avant les livres de français.
Okay. Why avant with Shatakshi? Shatakshi is we. We are talking about
I'm sorry.
Shatakshi.
Sorry, ma'am. Satakshi les livres de français.
Okay. Now your sentence is Shatakshi, the book of French. What Shatakshi, the book of French? Where is the word has in between? I want Shatakshi has the book of French. Where is the word has? Okay. Shalima, can you say beta?
Okay, ma'am. Satakshi a un livre en français.
Un livre de français. Very good.
Français.
Yes, this is what you were supposed to speak, Vidushi. Okay, Shatakshi a un livre de français, which means Shatakshi has the book of French. Okay, now your sentence should be You have the book of French. You have. You with
Ma'am, QA. Ma'am, QA.
okay. You have the book of French. What do I write? You then?
Ma'am, QA.
Ma'am's vous is. Ma'am, vous is.
Ma'am, QA. Le livre de français.
Okay, vous is also correct and tu is also correct.
Vous
If you
is.
want to write
You is.
you are. Beta, we don't say is, we say it are. You are, or it could also be vous avez.
De français.
Vous avez
Vous avez. Then
Le livre de français.
le livre
le
de
livre
français.
de français. Vous avez le livre de français. Now I put a question mark. So my sentence, my statement turns into a question. Vous avez le livre de français? You have the book of French? Okay. Now your answer should be, yes, I have the book of French. Tell me.
Ma'am, ma'am, it means we.
Anjali, I'm coming in a minute.
Yes.
Ma'am, then for yes, we will write we and
For we. Then after we.
J'ai.
Very
j'ai.
good. Very good.
J'ai.
Oui, j'ai.
Le livre de français.
le
Very
livre
good.
de français.
The français. Very nice. Okay. Now my next sentence is, what is my next sentence? I am 12 years old.
Ma'am, j'ai
Very good.
12
J'ai
J'ai 12
ans.
ans.
Ma'am, ANS.
Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now my question is, you are 16 years old? You are 16 years old? That's my question.
I'm 16.
16.
2 is.
Tu, sorry, tu, and what is the spelling of is as per you?
AS.
So it's tu are, not is, it's tu are. Tu are
Tu as. Ma'am, tu as C.
says
C. Ans.
on.
Ma'am, C.
Oh,
excuse me, ma'am.
yes, beta, yes. Tu are says on. Okay, now it's fine. Tu are says on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All right. Now let's come on to the next part of the chapter. It was adjectives. I briefly introduced you to adjectives, how they should agree to the subject pronouns, right?
Yes.
Yes. So now let's just come on to adjectives. Now your sentence should be, your sentence is, where is it gone? Okay. I want you to type the girl is tall. The girl is tall.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Shatakshi, tell.
Yun fil est grand. Ma'am, GRANDE.
Very nice, Shatakshi, very good. But I find a little problem in this sentence. What was my sentence? The girl is tall. And what sentence have you?
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please.
What sentence have you given me? A girl is tall. So I want
Ma'am, please.
the.
You is grand.
What, Shalima?
Ma'am, lease, flee, S strong.
What is the spelling of lace?
L-E-S.
And then what do I do next? I need to do something else also? Or it's correct according to you? Yes, tell me. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think you should put A.
I should put,
Excuse me, ma'am.
wait, beta, wait. Where
Ma'am,
should I put A?
L-A. Ma'am, L-A.
But I want to write the girl is tall. Why will I put she
Can I?
is tall? Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shatakshi. Yes, Shatakshi, say.
Ma'am, anywhere in the chapter I read it that if the is L-A, ma'am, la.
Yeah.
And we will write
The girl is tall.
Ma'am, ma'am.
I want to
Ma'am,
write
we will la
La fille est grande.
La fille est grande.
Yes, La fille est grande. This is
Ma'am,
what.
but it is not written une.
So why will I write une? My sentence is the girl is tall.
Okay, okay.
Then I'll write this only. If I want to say a girl standing near me is tall, then une fille will come. But where in my sentence a is not mentioned, then why will I use une? Yes. Okay. Now your next sentence should be the girls are fat. The girls are fat.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
La fille,
Luffy.
so
Tell me the spelling of
No, ma'am.
L-A-F-I
Yes.
double
L-A?
L-E
Sorry.
F-I double L.
Okay. F-I-double-L-E. Yes.
S-O-N-D, so.
Son.
Ma'am, and grosses. Ma'am,
Yes.
G-R-O-S-S-E-S.
Okay. Now your sentence is correct?
Ma'am, I have to do a correction.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shalima, what is the correction in the sentence?
Ma'am, now the L-E-S will come at the
Yes. Shatakshi, my sentence was the girls are fat. Now you're telling the girl are fat. What you made me write was the girl are fat.
Okay, ma'am.
The should also be in plural. Girls should also be in plural. Then only the other two words are going to agree with it. Okay.
Ma'am, next time I will remember.
All right. Next sentence will be the men are handsome. The men are handsome. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay. Now tell me. The men are handsome. What is men? What is a man called? Man in French is called homme. H-O-M-M-E. Remember?
Om.
Homme.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, les
Yes.
hommes
Les hommes. Very good. Les hommes.
sont Buicks.
Okay. Spelling?
Buicks.
B-E-A-U-X.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shatakshi and Vidushi, any correction in the sentence required? Les hommes sont beaux.
Ma'am, can I get some time to think?
Yes, yes. Please think. Shalima
Yes, ma'am.
and Vidushi. Vidushi is there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Is there any correction required in this sentence? Any rectification that is required?
Ma'am, I'm just thinking it.
Shatakshi? If you think it is not required, say it. No, ma'am, it's correct.
No, I don't know that is my plural is same with S or it's changed.
What are you asking?
Ma'am, I'm saying is if we make the man in plural, so the spelling is changed or it's same.
It's this only. What it is written right now, plural men is written like this only. Okay.
I think it's correct.
Yes, the sentence is absolutely correct. There is no rectification, no correction required. It is perfect. Okay, the next line, the next you have, what you have to write is, I am intelligent. Now tell me the translation of I am intelligent.
Ma'am, can I?
Jesus.
Anyone can.
Jesus.
Just please.
Just we.
Yes.
Ma'am, just we.
Yes.
And ma'am, for intelligent, we will use INTELLIGENTE.
Very good. Je suis intelligent. Perfect. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, your next sentence will be, we are ugly. We are ugly.
Ma'am, it will be nous avons.
Very good.
Ma'am, nous avons.
Okay.
Nous
Ugly spelling will be LAIDES.
All right. Is it correct, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shatakshi, is it correct?
Yes,
Ma'am, I think it will be nous soon.
Very good. It was Shalima who did this correction.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So my sentence is, we are ugly. And what you told me is, we have ugly. It is going to be nous sommes laids. Children, when you use these kind of, when you translate these kind of sentences, beta, please take care of avoir verb and être verb. Don't get confused between the two. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next sentence is, your next sentence goes, she is no, she has a blue car. She has a blue car.
L.
Ma'am, L.
Not
L.
A. It's A. Ella.
L.
Ella.
Blue. Ma'am, B. U.
Ma'am,
Okay, blue. Okay, sorry. We've not done colors. Blue is blue. Bleu. B-L-E-U.
Bleu.
B-L-E-U. Bleu. What is car? Okay, let's not do this. Beta, let's not do this. Just say she has a big car. She has a big car.
L. Has. Ma'am, I don't know what is the
Ma'am, I think
French word in for has.
For car, voiture.
For has. For has.
So have me beta, see avoir verb table.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, say.
Ma'am, in for she has, it will be Ella.
Yes.
And for big, it will be grand.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
GRANDE. And for car, it will be voiture. VOITURE.
Okay, it's correct. La grande voiture. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I think we should add you.
Very
Yes,
good. Who said we should write Iun?
Ma'am, Vidushi and Shalimar both.
Very good.
No, ma'am, Shalima. Ma'am, Shalima.
Shalima. La une grande voiture. This is the correct translation. Okay, she has a big car. Very nice. Now, children, are you like okay with it? Shall we move ahead with the next exercise, or shall we just go on practicing it?
Ma'am, we can do exercises.
Ma'am, let's practice it also because it is not clear.
It is still not clear. Okay,
And
fine.
I'm clear with it.
All right, let's do 4-5 sentences more. Don't worry. Your next sentence would be, Are you happy? Now see what we do. If I want to say you are happy, right? So what we are doing, we are writing you and then are happy. Okay. Similarly, if I want to, it is a statement. If I want to turn it into a question, so what I'm going to do, are you? I'm going to change the place of both the words. Are you happy? Similar is the case we do it in French. It becomes a question. You are happy? Are you happy? Okay. Now, you have to tell in French, you have to translate in French. Are you happy? What will be the French translation? What is you are?
And the sentences are
Ma'am,
happy.
as is to.
Very good. A hyphen in between, et you. Yes, very good. Et you.
Happy.
What is happy?
Ma'am.
Look into the table of adjectives that is given.
Ma'am, content.
Ma'am, content.
Very good. Content. Et you content? Now say yes, I'm happy. Now the answer is yes, I'm happy. What is the answer? Tell me.
Content. Ma'am, content.
Oui, tu es content.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, je suis.
Very good. When I'm asking you, are you happy? Your answer will be yes, I am happy. Will you answer it? Yes, you are happy. No.
Yes, ma'am.
When the question has been put on you, so answer will come from you only.
Ma'am, but if anybody says that no, I'm not happy, so what will
Okay,
write?
then also I will tell you, wait. Je suis content. Okay. Yes, I'm happy. Now, someone wants to say, I am not happy. This word, not happy, the negative sentences you are going to learn in class 8.
Unhappy.
Okay, you are going to learn in class 8. For now, for your level, what we can do is we can just learn the opposite of it. No, je suis mécontent. Okay? Yes, I am unhappy. Sorry, no, I am unhappy. But otherwise, if you want to say, no, I am not happy. So what do we say? No will come as it is. Je ne suis pas content. Je ne suis pas content. What we have done here? What is the verb in this sentence? Am. I am happy. What is the verb? Am is the verb here. So what is the rule that we apply? The rule that we use here is before the verb, we place na, and after the verb, we place pa. Is that fine? The rule is when you have to negate any sentences, we use na plus verb plus pa. Okay? Suppose I want to say I speak French. Je parle français. Okay? Je parle français is the sentence. Now I want to say I don't speak French. What will I do? Je. What is the verb here? The verb here is, tell me. What is the verb here, girls? I speak.
Parle.
Parle is the verb. So what I'll do, before the verb, I'm going to put na. Then I'm going to put my verb, parle. Then I'm going to put which word? Pa. Je ne parle pas français. Is that correct? Is that clear? I mean, yes. So this is how we make negative sentences. Na plus verb plus pa. All of you speak?
Ja plus na.
Na plus verb plus pa.
Plus pa.
Na plus verb plus pa is equal to negative sentences. Je ne parle pas français. Okay. If I want to say I am not intelligent, tell me. I am.
Ma'am, it will be je suis.
Je suis. Or
No, ma'am, it will be. No, je
suis.
ni. Ma'am, it will be.
Je ne suis
Je ne suis pas Intelligent.
Yes. Je ne suis pas intelligent. Je ne suis pas intelligent. This is how we speak it. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, one time can you read this table which is given on page number 58? That how we say them.
Acha, the adjective table, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do one thing, do me a favor. Now tell me which is the first adjective. Tell me in English only. I'll tell you in French because I'm not having my book right now.
Ma'am, small and short.
Okay, small. Small is petit. P-E-T-I-T. Petit. And for females, we say petite. Next,
Okay,
what
ma'am.
is the next word?
Big and
Big
tall.
and tall.
Grand and grande. Next,
Pretty.
Pretty.
what is the word?
Ma'am,
Pretty.
pretty.
Pretty, jolie. It's jolie and jolie. But see, in masculine gender, what we are going to do, we are not going to put E. And in feminine, we are going to add E. Jolie.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but if there is already E in the last, so we will not put E.
No,
another E.
if there is already an E, we don't put another E to make it into
So
feminine.
ma'am, how will we know that it is a
How will
masculine?
you know? Okay, okay. Tell me how will you know? See, look here. Now give me one example of a word ending with E. A word, okay. L-A,
Ma'am, sympathy.
sympathy. And L-A, sim.
Okay, ma'am, ill and ill.
Yes. As simple as that. All right.
Okay.
Then next, what is the next word, Shatakshi?
Ugly.
Ugly.
Ugly
I'm ugly.
is lead and lead. Lead. Next,
Intelligent.
intelligent.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, next is thin.
Thin. Men's and men's. Now again, men's is ending with what? E. So LA men's and LA men's. Next.
Ma'am, kind. Ma'am, kind.
Sympathetic. Il est sympathique, elle est sympathique. Then
Ma'am, next is good.
good, bon and bon. Like bonjour and bonne nuit. We say like that. We've learned it like that.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, good morning is bonjour.
Bonjour. And when we say bonjour, we don't say bonjour. We only say bon. Bonjour and bonne nuit. Next.
Ma'am,
Bad.
it's
Bad.
yes, ma'am.
Mauvaise. Next.
Okay.
Beautiful
Ma'am,
and
beautiful
handsome.
and handsome.
Okay, beautiful. For girls, we use belle. And for boys, we don't use the word beautiful. So, the word for boys is handsome. Beau. Belle and beau.
Okay, ma'am.
Then,
Ma'am, next is fat.
sorry, what is the word?
Ma'am, fat.
Fat.
Fat. Grow, gross. Grow, gross.
Okay. Ma'am, next is happy.
Content, content.
And ma'am, the last one is unhappy.
Mécontent, mécontent.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now, what is the next part in this chapter? What is the last thing left?
Ma'am, to
Exercise.
describe a person and to introduce oneself.
To introduce oneself. Now, how will you introduce yourself? See, suppose I asked your introduction. I asked you to present yourself. Can I remove the screen or you want to write down something from the screen, children? I think you should write down whatever is on the screen. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Write it down. On the left hand side, right hand side, there are so many important things there. Written?
Ma'am, only 1 minute. I'm writing the third part.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Okay. 3 of you have done?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Achha, 1 has left.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, Vidushi.
It's not appearing only on my screen. Okay, do one thing, children. Now it's time for the class to get over, right? So let's end this
Yes,
session
ma'am.
here only. We're going to meet now next week. And
Bye, ma'am.
yes, the exercises that are given, just try to do them on their own. Not a compulsion, just try if you can. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay,
I will
ma'am.
do it.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Oh, bye, ma'am.